The meal of the day is roasted salmon with a pan-fried asparagus. I am going to make a sauce for the fish. For that I will need a few spoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 of a fresh lemon juice, salt, black pepper, and dried oregano. Here I have fresh parsley. It will be added later. First I want fish to absorb marinade. I don't measure amount of oil I add, but it's around 3 to 4 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of oregano, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, lemon juice. Now my steak is absolutely dry and ready to swim in the pool of marinade. I left my steak marinating for only about 5 to 10 minutes. More time is better. Ready for the oven. 350 Fahrenheit, 30 minutes, 5 minutes preheat. The fish is almost ready. It's time for asparagus. Heat 8 of 10. A bit of avocado oil. Salt, black pepper, and about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. Stirring up frequently, avoiding a burnout. The fish is ready. I usually take aluminum foil with baking pan for this, but this time I have decided to use this casserole dish, which is definitely not good for salmon steak. I was lucky not breaking the salmon completely, taking it out from the dish. A bit of fresh basil on top of my asparagus, and I'm ready to eat. Bon appetit!